Morning, guys. It's a rainy day out in Dallas. Back out here on this demo. I don't know how much we're going to be able to get done today because of the rain. I've got one full dumpster ready to be picked up. I got that dumpster there that's empty. I'm going to try to at least get that filled up. You see I got this all this already broken up down here in the crawl space of the house, so try to get that in the dumpster, and we might go ahead and tear the rest of that down, and we'll see what happens when with this rain, see if we can get dumpsters ran today or not. I'm not sure. So let me set you guys up, and we'll just see how it goes. Found a nice dry spot for you under that tree, so y'all hang out there, stay dry. Let me see what I can get done over here. Rain's gone, sun's out, it's nice and cool. It's gonna be a good day. We got two dumpsters here, and they're both filled. Waiting on them to be picked up. So while we're waiting on that, I got that little pile. Oh, let me turn it around. That might help. That little pile in there that I couldn't get in the dumpsters. So I got that left of the house, and then basically one little section of floor, and those just freestanding walls and a little bit of the roof, and that little bathroom. So I'm going to set you up and get started chewing away at that. All right, guys. That's a wrap on day, what is today? Day 3. Well, day 2.5 really. I've got full dumpster. Let me turn you around and show you. The house is gone. So all I've got left is concrete. This driveway, this where the garage was, this area back here, and then all the brick all the way around. And all that tree debris. And then there's 1, 2, 3 gigantic stumps I gotta pull out. But yeah, that's where we're leaving it today. I'll be back out here tomorrow. We should be just about wrapped up tomorrow, and then picking up the final pieces on Friday. So yeah, you guys stick around. We'll be wrapping this one up soon. Thanks for watching. Peace.